Hello guys, and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. If you are new here, consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying videos like this. In today's video, I want to share with you how to enable the watermark on Google Docs. This is a very new feature that Google introduced in their Microsoft Word document version, and you can have a very fantastic experience using it. So to start, just go to docs.google.com. It will bring you over here to the Docs platform, and then you have a range of options to start from a template or to visit recently produced documents. So let's say we're clicking on one of the documents that we maybe produced previously, and we just want to add a watermark to this document. So to add the watermark, all you need to do is to come over to Insert over here, and you come all the way to watermark. You can see it's a very new feature that is introduced by Google recently, and it's been added to this platform. To add it, you just click on add watermark, and you're free to select an image. Maybe if you have a logo or any kind of image that portray your branding, you can easily bring it in and put in as your watermark. So let's say we want to put in one of our logo into this. You are free to navigate to anywhere. You can check photos, you can check Google image search, you can check by URL, you can check by camera, or you can upload. Or if you have it on your Google Drive, you can easily check it here, or you have on your shared file, someone shared with you, you can easily check it and you can use it. For now, we're going to check it on my personal computer. So we can go to my desktop, and I think we can find my logo here. Okay, so we have the logo for Epic Mentorship uploaded. So once the logo is uploaded, you will see a preview over here, and you're free to edit it to bring in another one. You're free to edit and bring in another logo, or to change it or thereabout. And you can scale it down from 100%, which is the default setting. You can bring it down to 50 or to 100 or to 150 or 200 or even 500%. So for now, you can make it faded, or you can make it original, okay, or you can fade it accordingly. Once you're done, you can click on done, and you can remove the watermark down here if you don't want it to be there. So let's say we'll click on done, and you can see it's inserted on your document. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to bring in watermark into your document. If you like this video, kindly feel free to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.